A day in the garden.
Hello, buddies.
Welcome to Yellowchicks.
Let's go.
I am harvesting carrots.
I am harvesting carrots.
I am harvesting fruits.
Wow!
I am harvesting fruits.
I am checking for pests. I am checking for pests.
This is a wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow.
These are the fresh fruits and vegetables harvested from the garden. My favorite fruit is strawberry. What's yours?
Hoe.
I am hoeing the soil. Hoeing the soil. Composting. I am composting the organic waste. I am mixing the compost with soil. Soil bed. I am preparing the soil bed. These are seeds.
I am planting seeds in the soil. I am planting seeds in the soil. I am digging a hole in the soil for the tree. We are planting a tree in the soil. We are planting a tree in the soil. I am planting flowers in the soil. I am planting flowers in the soil.
I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am spraying water on the plants. I am spraying water on the plants.
Lawnmower.
This is a lawnmower.
Mowing. I am mowing the lawn. Mowing. I am mowing the lawn. Fence. Repeat it after me. Fence. This is a fence. Hedge. Repeat after me. This is a hedge. I am trimming the hedges. Leaf rake. Repeat after me. Leaf rake. I am raking the leaves. Raking the leaves. I am raking the leaves. Raking the leaves. Weeding. I am weeding the garden. Weeding. I am weeding the garden. This is a broom and dustpan. Sweeping. I am sweeping the garden path. Sweeping. I am sweeping the garden path. Let's take a look back of all the garden activities we have learned so far.
Watering.
Spraying. Repeat after me. Spraying.
Planting.
Weeding.
Harvesting.
Hoeing.
Composting. Mixing compost with soil. Mowing. Trimming.
Raking.
Sweeping. Preparing the soil bed. Tilling.
Let's do a quick recap of all the garden things we have learned. Leaf rake. Broom. Hedge. Fence. Pitchfork. Shovel.
Lawnmower. Wheelbarrow.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel.